Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the phone and carrier info. Make sure your iPhone 12 is updated, your physical SIM stays in the tray, and you have the carrier's eSIM QR or activation code. Once done, open Settings, tap Cellular, then add Cellular Plan so the phone can scan or accept the eSIM details. Do this now so the device recognizes both lines. This step establishes the secondary number profile that will coexist with your primary physical SIM. You will now activate and configure how the two lines behave. After scanning the QR or entering the eSIM activation code, wait for carrier confirmation. The plan may take a minute to appear. Once active, tap the new plan and choose labels like primary and secondary to avoid confusion. Then set your default line for iMessage, FaceTime, and cellular data. Make sure to toggle Allow Cellular Data Switching if you want automatic data use when calling with the other line. You're at the finish line. Use the phone app to choose which line to call from or assign a default per contact. Swipe into Control Center to switch cellular data. If the eSIM doesn't activate, first restart your iPhone and retry scanning the QR or using the carrier app, because simple resets often fix provisioning. If problems persist, contact your carrier. As a last resort, reset network settings. Make sure your eSIM activation info is available, since you may need carrier reprovisioning afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.